Okay, I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav on this BMW X5. So from any screen onto Nav, which is a bottom right at the front here, and then click across again, and then you've got the option to destination input. Onto destination input. We want down to postcode, that's the easiest. Click on place and postcode, and then this rotary control here, which is the easiest method of entry, I think. PR, and then we need to go down to numbers, and it says further characters there. Although they're not highlighted, you've got to get down to the bottom, which is at kind of 6 o'clock. Further characters, click on further characters, and then we've got the numbers. So 5 4, so we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR5 4 JS, and then in the center is OK. It's just waiting for you to click OK. I don't need to put a street, so just accept destination. Start guidance.
Now turn right.
That's it. That's how you do it. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system. So from any screen, telephone is top right here, onto telephone, and you've got Bluetooth menu. Nothing's connected at the moment, so onto Bluetooth menu. You've got their Bluetooth. If you're having problems connecting your vehicle, make sure there's a tick in that. But here we go, Barry's phone there. And if I highlight my phone, then click to the right using the eye control, we've now got split screen, switch off control display, configure device, or delete device. I want to delete the device. I'll just click on configure, show you there. So that's telephone OK. We go back. I want to delete my device, so down to delete device, click OK, and it's gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on. Just watch out at the bottom for it appearing. We now go to the eye control, the telephone button, which is top right. Click telephone, got Bluetooth menu, and then it's defaulted to add new device. Click add new device. Please use your Bluetooth device to start searching. It'll come up here, there you go. So click on BMW 4159. Do you want to pair, Bluetooth pairing request, pair? Then you have to click OK over here on the screen. Do you want your contacts and favourites to sync? I won't be using the car again unless it's on my Range Rover, in which case I'll be in here faster than you can say whatever it is you say. So I've got to accept there, OK. I don't want to allow my contacts and favourites to sync, but you will. And as you can see on the dashboard there, Barry's iPhone 11 is activated, and it's also switched on here. Thanks for watching.